Hi everyone, welcome back to the new video. So today I'm unboxing such a nice product from the Apple. So I just recently been to the Apple store and I bought one of the nice product, which is a Apple iPad Air M2, which is a 2024 model, and it's coming with the new chip, which is Apple M2 chip. So let's quickly unbox and let's see what's that inside. Alright, so let's open the box and let's see what's that inside. So once you open the box, you will see such a nice iPad, which is a nice product from the Apple. We're gonna keep it on side. Let's open that what accessories is comes. So if I open this one, so you will see a user manuals and everything, which is that tell you everything about the Apple and how to use the iPads and everything. Is kind of a user manuals. It's also coming with a USB Type-C to Type-C charger, so you can connect to any Apple adapter, which is a iPhone 15 series or iPhone 16 series, any which is connecting to Type-C to Type-C cable. So it's also coming. So let's put everything on the side and let's open the new iPad Air. Let's remove all of the stickers and let's see that how the new iPad Air 2024 model look like. Oh, this is amazing, nice one. This look nice. I especially ordered a new starlight color, which is I like it. It's look nice, amazing. I especially like this color. It's so pretty and premium as well at the same time. Alright, so let's talk about the buttons. So if you see on the right hand side, you will see a volume up and down button. If you see on the top, you will see a power on off button, which is to turn on your iPad. If you see on the left hand side, so there is nothing. On the top you will see two speakers on the top, and it's also coming in bottom two speakers as well with USB Type-C charging port. Alright, so let's talk about the specifications for this lovely iPad. So this lovely iPad coming in two sizes, which is one of them is 11 inch and then another one is a 13 inch. I bought this one is 11 inch model, which is a perfect it's not too big or it's not too small. It's a perfect size if you are using it. Is really nice and lightweight. I can say the weight is 462 grams of weight. Let's talk about the cameras. So the cameras have two cameras, which is one of them is in center and another one is on back side. Both are 12 megapixel. The real one 12 megapixel supporting a 4K 60 frames per second, and the front one is supporting a full HD 60 frames per second. Let's talk about the speakers. So you will see a 4 stereo speakers of 2 on top and 2 on bottom as well. So there are 4 stereo speakers comes.
About this world, nor bring for your king, never.
It's also coming with USB Type-C 3.2 charging port, which is a fast charging supporting. It's also supporting a Bluetooth 5.3, which is really good. And now it's 5.4 came as well, but this is supporting 5.3, which is good as well at the same time. So this lovely iPad is supporting a latest Apple Pencil Pro, which is a latest model from the Apple, and is also supporting a USB Type-C Apple Pencil as well. So you will get two Apple Pencils support, which is a Apple Pencil Pro and Apple Pencil Type-C as well. If you have it, you can use it because this one is supporting them. So let's talk about the color variant. So this lovely iPad Air is coming in 4 different color, which is this one is a starlight, another ones you will get a space gray, then blue as well, and is also you will get a purple color as well at the same time. Let's talk about the M2 chip. So the Apple M2 chip is coming in octa-core processor, which is a 4 performance performance cores and for efficient cores, powerful chip, I'll say. Once you buy this iPad M2, I'll say up to 5 years you don't need to be worried. If you are using as a daily life, if you are a student, and if you just using as a basics and lightly editings and everything, so you can easily use this for up to 5 years. The battery life, Apple is claiming up to 10 hours of battery life once you fully charge this iPad. So 7600 mAh, and it's give you up to 10 hours of battery life, so its battery life is really nice. So let's talk about the changes for the new iPad 6th generation, if I can compare with the previous model. To be honest, there is nothing major changes apart from camera only, but if you are seen from inside, then there is a major changes, because the previous model was coming with the M1 and this is coming with the M2 chip, which is a more powerful and more power efficient as well at the same time. Alright, so let's talk about the price for this Apple iPad Air. This one is starting price from £599 if you are buying 11-inch Wi-Fi variants. It's supporting up to 1 terabyte, so it depends on you. It's a top variant is coming for £1,250 for 11-inch model, which is a 1 terabyte of storage in is the cellular model. So it depends on your price, but starting from $599, which is a very good deal, which is coming in M2 chip for £599 pounds in UK. Looking for 13-inch iPad model, so it's starting from $799, which is a base variant of 13-inch Wi-Fi variant. It's also go up to £1,450 if you go with a Wi-Fi cellular model in 1 terabyte of variants. So there are different prices in iPad 11-inch and 13-inch, depends which one you want it and what was your prefer and budget as well at the same time. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing for this lovely iPad Air 11-inch M2 model, which is amazing small packet, big blast, I'll say. Is really nice. It's coming with M2 chip. So that was the unboxing for this lovely iPad. If you have any questions related for this iPad, please put the comments below and I'll try to help you with that. Guys, so thank you so much for watching this lovely video with lovely iPad Air M2. Thank you so much for watching guys. Thank you.